Hey guys, Kane here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Rocket Dragon D5 and Ogre 05. Parts for this D7
2
and
D44 for Ogre, and then TH14 for Rock Dragon D5 and TH05 for Ogre. So this is the Beyblades that we're going to be unboxing, and let's get into it.
And that's my brother.
Yep, he's my brother.
He's going to be in our videos.
And we're going to be battling today with the Rise Stadium. So we're going to be unboxing this right now.
Yeah.
I'm just going to cut it open. There we go. Some of the Beyblades. So we just got all the Beyblades out of the packaging.
Yep.
So what's this Beyblade?
Rock Dragon.
And then this is...
Let's give you the code.
Oh yeah, you guys probably want the code. There you go. And then for, what is this pay?
Ogre 05.
Ogre 05, here's his code. And yeah, so we're just going to assemble the Beyblades, and we'll be back once we're done assembling them. We got all the Beyblades assembled, now we're going to start battling. So guys, we're going to start battling. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So who's going to win this one?
Rock Dragon might get the win.
Yeah. Oh! Rock Dragon gets the win this time.
So, first round.
That was a good battle. Let's get it back together. Okay.
If you want to see more unboxings, comment down below. See what we should do next.
He's chasing it.
Oh.
Who did you say won that one? The Rock Dragon? Because he stopped, and then I think we might have to get a slow-mo on that one, guys. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we're gonna start. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a good hit. Oh, we might win this. Oh,
Rock Dragon.
So what is it? 2-2?
No, 2-0.
Yeah. No, because you won one. Remember?
Wait a second.
Yeah, you won one. Remember?
Oh yeah.
No, you won. Okay.
Because when you stopped,
Yeah.
but I bursted, it still doesn't count.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It might be a close battle.
Ooh, I don't know. Oh, tied.
No?
Yeah, it is. 2-2.
Oh yeah. 2-2. I thought you said tie, like it's like a tie battle.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Might be a... Oh, so who won all those battles?
I'm pretty sure
Ogre. Yeah, Ogre won all those battles. So these are the two Beyblades that we are battling with. This one, which is Ogre 05, and then this was
Rock Dragon D5.
Yep, Rock Dragon. So
Rock Dragon.
hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see more unboxings, drop a like and comment. Hope you guys have a good day, and bye.